There's always lots of questions surrounding what is probate and how do I even make sure that I'm doing it correctly? Well, there are different methods of opening an estate in court after somebody passes away. Sometimes it depends on whether there was a will or no will. Other times it could depend on whether the surviving spouse is the only beneficiary, or maybe the estate is under a certain value and you don't care about creditors. So there's multiple things that you need to consider before you decide which process is best for your particular situation. But having said that, every single time you do something at court, you're going to have to file papers. Whether it's court documents that you have to fill in the forms, whether it's submitting a will, or maybe it's submitting guardianship papers because there's a guardian involved. But the very first step is to analyze the entire estate, see what the assets are. Is there a will? Is there no will? Who the surviving person is that's benefiting. Lots of moving pieces before you can figure out which is the best process, which is why you should never handle a probate on your own. You should always hire an attorney with experience who understands not only the process, but what the clerks are in particular looking for. Even though it's uniform within the state of North Carolina, each county may have their own little intricate things that they're looking for that you should be familiar with. It helps the process go quicker, smoother, and end on a happier note. So make sure you're planning today, because tomorrow is not promised for any of us.